channel. Now for today's video I'm going to review 3 products. So all the 3 products are from Lotus, and I have got a scrubber, and then I've got a moisturizer and also a cleanser over here. So I'll quickly start with the scrubber. Now the scrubber which I'm going to talk about is the ones from Lotus, again as I said, and it is called the White Glow Oatmeal and Yogurt Skin Whitening Scrub. Now this is a very strong scrubber, and if you are somebody who has got a very sensitive skin, you have to be really careful when you will be applying it. Now the best way to apply a scrubber onto your skin is just wet your hands and don't wet your face. Wet your hands, take some of the product on your hand, and you can just gently scrub all over your face. Now if you're somebody who has got a very sensitive skin, then you might go for another step, that is you can wet your face and then also you can wet your hands and you can do your scrubbing part. But you have to be really very careful when you'll be using this, because the granules of this scrubber is from oatmeal and it's really strong. So if you are somebody who doesn't like the feeling of this kind of scrubber, might not like it, as I said, because the scrubber is really hard. Anyway, so this retails for about 195 rupees, and it has got 100 grams of product, which I think is decently priced. It says that it's a whitening scrubber, and it is a whitening scrubber, guys. Trust me, it actually makes your face look brighter. So if you're somebody who really wants a very bright and glowing skin, then you might go for this product over here. Now talking about the ingredient list, it has got the ingredient list, the direction list and everything mentioned at the back of the packaging. If you are somebody who really likes to wet your face and apply the scrubber, you can go with your process, not a big deal. But if you are somebody who likes to follow the rules and regulations for any particular scrubber, then you might follow the rule which is over at the back of the packaging. That is that you need to moist your face and then moist your hand, and then you can apply it as a scrubber. This is for all skin types, so if you are of dry skin or oily skin, you can obviously go with this one. I've got a dry skin and I didn't face any problem using this product, so you can definitely go on with this scrubber. The next product is this Lotus Herbal Lemon Pure Turmeric and Lemon Cleansing Milk. This is for normal to dry skin people. I have been using this one since a very long time. This is my second bottle which I am using. Now the best part of this thing is that it comes with a nice pump, so it's really very easy and convenient to use it, and also the product stays bacteria free for a really long time. Now again, you can remove your makeup with this one, but if you are wearing a very hard waterproof mascara, then it can be a little bit difficult for you to remove it. It won't make you feel uncomfortable, and it says that it is for normal to dry skin. Yes, it is for normal to dry skin, but I don't think that if oily people use this one, they might have any problem. I don't think so. If you apply this product after cleaning your face, you will literally feel that it has actually moistened your face. Your skin won't feel tacky, or your skin won't feel very tight, so it is going to make your skin really comfortable, so you don't need to worry about the comfort zone. So another thing, it has got alcohol and paraben in it. So if you are somebody who gets reacted to alcohol contained products, this is not for you guys. Even the scrubber which I showed you, this also contains alcohol and paraben in it. Anyway, so talking about this product, I will quickly show you a demo on how the color is, how it works and everything. And so yeah, we will just see it really closely.
So basically I started by applying as much of makeup onto my hand, so that I can make you guys see how this makeup cleanser really works. So I am applying products which are really hard to remove. Now I have spread some of the cleanser onto my hand, and I spread it with my finger, and as you guys saw, the color of this product is a little bit of the pale yellow color. So yeah, I'm just removing the makeup from my hand with this rounded cotton pad, and it works decently good.
It says 2 minutes to cleanse skin. I think it is kind of right, because it doesn't take that much of time to remove the junk or gunk from your skin, and it's really easy to apply because it has got a pump. You just need to take some cotton, and then you can pump the product onto the cotton, or else you can also go on with the step which I use, that is I take the product into my hand and I apply it all over my face. Wherever I have applied makeup, I tend to massage over there for maybe 1 minute, and then I take a cotton pad and then I remove all my makeup. All my makeup just comes like this. So the one negative thing which I really feel about this product is that if you have applied a very hard waterproof mascara, that time you need to struggle with this product. Now this retails for about 325 rupees and it has got 170 ml of product. Again, not a bad deal. You can obviously go on with this product. If you are not very sensitive to alcohol, you can definitely try out this product. And it says that again, it says that it's for normal to dry skin. You can use this no matter whatever skin you are. Now the final product which I'm going to talk about is the Lotus Herbal Shea Moist Shea Butter and Real Strawberry 24-hour Moisturizer. Now it says that it is for dry to normal skin. Now it smells really like strawberry, and the smell is like very artificial strawberry kind of smell. And the color of this product is really very light baby pink color. It doesn't have a white cast onto your face, so you can apply it if you are a very anti-white cast cream person like me. So you can definitely go on with this product right over here. Now the thing is that it says that it is for dry to normal skin. I would actually say that if you are a dry skin person, then you might use this for the summertime and not for the winter time, because winter time dry skin people, guys, you need a lot of hydration and a lot of moisturizing. So this won't be working for any dry skin people during the winter season. But if you are somebody of oily skin, you can go in the winter season, in the summer season, any time of the year you can go on with this product. But dry skin people, a very big no from me. You cannot, actually this won't satisfy your skin's need of moisturization during the winter time. Talking about the price and everything, this retails for about 265 rupees and it has got 120 grams of product. Again, not a bad deal. Again, this product contains alcohol and paraben. If you are very sensitive to that, you might not opt for this product. Now again, finally I would say that since all the products were from Lotus, so generally Lotus doesn't come like, I have not seen any product which is free of paraben or free of alcohol. So if you are really anti to it, you can go for Aroma Magic products because they doesn't have any alcohol and any paraben in it. And if you don't have any problem with these two ingredients, you can go for these products. So yeah, with that I'm going to finish this video. I hope it was helpful to you, and if it was, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Till then, take care and God bless you. Bye.